Eating them blueberries, you're gonna be like that girl on Wizard of Oz. Eat them blueberries, you're gonna turn into a blueberry and they'll have to roll you away into a big blueberry ball. Right down in there, right at the edge of that high grass right there, where that coyote and that fox comes out and eats the scraps that we throw out for him. But I ain't seen them this year yet. They hadn't come out yet, have they? Have you seen them yet, Rabbit? Nope. She won't talk. She's just shaking her head. No. She's bashful till she gets on her scooter. Then I can't get her off. She's not only my daughter, but she's my sidekick as well. She goes just about everywhere Daddy goes. I don't think they're going to come out. What do you think, Rabbit? I don't think they are either. I think it's too early for them to come out right now. Usually they come out late and way early in the morning hours. I hear a woodpecker. Sometimes them woodpeckers comes on picks on these trees. What kind of woodpeckers are they? Pileated? Huh? Or are they redheaded? Pileated? Double headed? How does a woodpecker have a double head? Did you say anything? There's nobody watching. It's not uploaded. Well, this is the only setback about the wildlife. Living this close to the highway and neighbors. And them people doing work over there in that field. They start construction on that back there. They're trying to get it leveled out and everything where they can start putting in their homes. And it's going to destroy the wildlife back here. I don't like it. I'm gonna have to find some place else to live. I think I done found a place. I don't know. But they're destroying wildlife back here. Run them off. We used to see them coyotes and them fox. And yeah, even turkeys out there in that field. Deers. Now it's very hard to catch them now. Very hard to capture them on video. People say don't destroy the wildlife. Well, they don't need to be talking to us. They need to be talking to them big construction companies. They're the ones that's destroying wildlife. Taking their grazing areas away from them. See them deers and them turkeys comes out there and grazes in that field. They're taking it away from them. You're gonna have to find deer's gonna have to find someplace else to graze. I hate these big construction companies coming in and taking over these vacant lands. It's really sad what they're doing to our countrysides. There's gonna come a day you say countryside, nobody's gonna know what you're talking about. There won't be no country. It'll be city to city connecting. See, Corbin is about 8 miles north of us, about 10 miles north of us. Williamsburg is about 10 miles south of us. We're about halfway in between. And they're building in between. They got a subdivision between here and Corbin. They got a subdivision between here and Williamsburg. And they're still expanding the subdivisions. They're planning on putting a subdivision back here in that field right there. What's this world coming to? I need to get me a piece of land that big. About 100 acres. But no trespassing. Go out there and sit. Anybody approach me, ask me to sell them a piece of land, property, I'm going to tell them, I'm going to turn them down. It's mine to enjoy. Bird up there soaring through the sky. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's flying right above that little tree right there, right along in there. It's kind of hard to see. There's two of them. Now there's three. There's a third one, fourth one moving in. It's maybe vultures or maybe hawks or something. I can't see it too good right now. hoping y'all can see them birds. I don't know if y'all can or not. Let's see. I'm hoping y'all can see those because I can't see it through the lens. Maybe it'll show up on the video. There's another treetop up there. Right above the treetop. I just can't see it. Well, I like watching them fly around. There's 4 of them over there flying. There's fixed to be 5. Here's another moving in. Well, I guess I better turn this thing off. Them deer's not going to come out. It's too early. Hey, if y'all like these videos, do me a big favor, it'll help me out. Get my video out to more audience, viewers. Click the like and subscribe if you will, please, if you enjoy these videos. Thank you and take care. We'll see you next time.